In the United States, healthcare workers have waited hours in line to receive a coronavirus jab. Doctors, nurses and aged care employees in Los Angeles lined up for more than 4.5 hours, some leaving before receiving the vaccine.
We've been waiting for 4 hours now, and I'm not even in line.
Cars snaked through Irvine for nearly 2 miles.
Long line here to try to get into the fire authority to get vaccinated.
This is the vaccine line for healthcare workers and people in the top tier who are most at risk of COVID exposure. They are allowed to get some of the first shots in Orange County, and the demand today was overwhelming.
I was expecting to show up and maybe have to wait in a line like this in the parking lot, but was not expecting the 4-hour wait in my car, for sure.
This is the point in the line where people are about to get the vaccines. Those behind me say they drove in and it took them about 4.5 hours. Those people who saw the long lines decided to park their cars and walk in. For them, it took a couple of hours.
I think it's a great thing that's happening, but it's very crazy line-wise.
We were hoping that we would be called to the front of the line at our appointment time and maybe eliminate the walk-ins, not necessarily walk-ins, but walk-ups, because we all had to wait in our cars and others were just walking ahead to the front. So it was not very organized.
The healthcare workers waiting here say they made appointments online, and that was part of the problem, according to OC's healthcare agency. A glitch in the scheduling system didn't cap the number of reservations. Others who showed up without reservations or without proper proof that they qualified to get a vaccine in Tier 1A jammed the process. Officials say it all contributed to delays.
It's definitely a long way, especially for these people who are trying to get back to the hospital, get back to their appointments.